Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 1 and our today's topic is identification the letter of Jazam. And my dear students, today is our revision class and our lecture number 25. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn 6 identification the letter of Jazam. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, here our first number Arabic word is ihdi. Ihdi. My dear students, in this word ha has taken Jazam. Now we will identify the Jazam taken huruf ha. Then we will write ha and Jazam. Ihdi. Now Arabic word number 2. Our second number Arabic word is lasta. Lasta. In this word sin has taken Jazam. Now we will identify the Jazam taken huruf here sin. Now we will write the letter and Jazam, sin and Jazam. Number 3, our Arabic word is alam taro. Alam taro. My dear students, here is mim has taken Jazam. Now we will identify the Jazam taken huruf mim, and now we will write the letter mim and Jazam. Our phone number Arabic word is sa'ya. Sa'ya. My dear students, our phone number Arabic word is sa'ya. Now here is ain has taken Jazam. Now we will identify the Jazam taken huruf ain, and now we will write ain and Jazam. Our 5 number Arabic word is hushirat. Hushirat. In this word ta has taken Jazam. Now we will identify the Jazam taken huruf ta, and then now we will read ta and Jazam. Number 6 and our last number Arabic word is maghribi. Maghribi. In this word goin has taken Jazam. Now we will identify the Jazam taken letter or huruf. Then we will write goin and Jazam. Goin and Jazam. My dear students, now say with me ihdi, lasta, alam tara, sa'ya, hushirat, maghribi. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned 6 Jazam taken huruf. Alhamdulillah. My dear students, you will read these 6 Jazam taken huruf at your home very carefully. My dear students, you need not to do any new SW, but if you have any missing SW, then you will submit you only missing SW. Okay, my dear students, no more today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi